Hi everyone, welcome to Math 60. I'm your professor Laura Louie. We are about to begin our course and you'll be starting the orientation module where you'll be looking at the layout of our course and learning what sort of things we'll be using in Canvas. Mostly we'll be using the discussion board and assignments and quizzes in Canvas. Modules is where everything will be housed. You'll be having your weekly modules there that you'll be working through each day. If you have questions, there's a Q&A discussion, or I will have my office hours so you can join those on Zoom, and you can feel free to email me at any time. I want you to know that I'm here to help. I am really looking forward to working and getting to know each and every one of you. I know my office hours are optional, but please try to stop in sometime and meet with me so that we can see each other at least on Zoom. If my office hours don't work, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to meet at other times. That's just going to be my dedicated time to meet in this class. But I'm also available at other times throughout the day. So please just email and reach out to me, and I'm happy to help and meet with you. I look forward to this summer with you as we work through this intermediate algebra class. We're going to have a good time, and I can't wait to meet you all.